When you are having difficulty making ends meet, a cash loan can be a lifeline. However, many people are in the dark when it comes to how to get the best cash loan for their personal or business needs. You want to take time to find out what is available and get the best deal possible. First, you will need to have current credit on your credit report. This does not mean that you need to have a perfect score, but your current credit rating is going to be one of the things a lender looks at when they are deciding on how much money to lend you. It can affect your loan approval and your interest rate. Make sure you check your credit rating every so often. The next thing you will need to do is figure out your current income. Check your pay stubs to see how much money you earn and who is paying you. If you are getting paid on a regular basis by the people you work with, such as at a restaurant, a retail store, or a hospital, you will probably need a cash loan for this reason alone. If you have bad credit, however, a cash loan can still be possible for you. A cash loan for bad credit is usually more costly than a regular loan, but it can still be a valuable option. If you have a certain type of business such as selling goods online, you may need to have collateral to secure the loan. A good option would be to rent or lease property in order to obtain a mortgage. Having collateral also makes it easier to get financing on a mortgage in the future. One important thing to keep in mind is that there is a higher interest rate when you take out a loan with a low monthly payment. So, if you have a big loan to pay off, you will need to have some money set aside to pay the bills each month and keep your monthly expenses down. People who don't have a lot of money in the bank usually turn to payday loans to help them. These loans will allow you to get the money that you need for the day, but they charge high interest rates. There are also different lenders that offer different rates for their loans. You can use an online lender or talk to the person in person before you sign up for a loan. A lot of people are choosing this route because they want to see how much money they can borrow and how much it will cost. Another thing to remember is that the first time you apply for a loan, your credit report will be checked for mistakes and any past bankruptcies. This check will help to determine how much money you can get approved for. If you have no credit history, a cash loan is more difficult to get. You can request that your application be turned down until you have a better history. Getting a loan for personal or business needs is easy. All you need to do is find a reputable lender and decide on a loan amount and a repayment schedule. Once you know what you want to get, it will be easier to search for it.